This one. This one. And
want to go?
this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you already made up your mind?
Really pretty area, eh?
Look at the green mountain.
Yeah. And then that massive mountain across there. Wow. Oh, so this is where Madiba was imprisoned, eh? For the last few years. Interesting, eh? Statue of Nelson Mandela. There's something else, then we're going to have a look there. It's a National Heritage Site. Okay, interesting. Really interesting. Well, I wanted to go and see the house where he stayed, and I went and I spoke to that gentleman over there, and he said no, they don't allow tours. We have to contact specific people to arrange a time and date and a tour and all of that. So we won't be able to just go in because it's an operating prison at the moment. So
That would make sense.
So
Yeah.
we can't just walk in and go and visit his house that he stayed in.
Okay, that's totally understandable.
So, but it's interesting, eh? Really interesting to think the day that he walked out. Was it 91 or something?
Was it?
I think it was 1991 that he came walking out here. And that's exactly how his hand was when he came walking out.
Him and Winnie, hey?
Yes, I'm going to see if I can find a picture on the internet and post it next to this, in this shot.
Amazing to think it was at this facility.
Yeah. I think it was 91, but I'll just confirm the date.
That's over 30 years ago.
Yeah.
Isn't that scary?
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
And look at the beautiful mountains. So,
Stunning view, eh?
yeah, beautiful. Okay, well, at least you tried.
Yep, at least I tried.
The gentleman there seems friendly.
Very nice and helpful. The wind is incredible.
It's pumping.
And this is us coming into Franschhoek, eh?
Yes.
All the wine farms.
Against the
Mountain.
yeah. Very far.
Sure. Is this the town? Franschhoek Center?
Yes.
Pretty cute, eh?
Very cute.
Wow. Wow, this is nice. Look at that, eh? Station, Franschhoek Station.
Nice place.
Yeah. Wow, this is a tourist destination and a half for you, eh?
You can see it.
Crazy. Look at the flea market. It's a place we can come walk around.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow, it's a big market.
Huge. Huge. Free parking in here.
Did they say free parking?
Yeah.
I'll
You
have
can
to
come around.
come around again.
Or you
Yeah.
can park here if you want.
Let's do that.
It's easier.
Yeah. Beautifully manicured gardens, eh? Yeah. Rumi olive.
Yeah.
And it comes from one of the olive trees in the Garden of Gethsemane.
It was cultivated
In 1980?
from shoots of the tree in the Garden of Gethsemane, which is now more than 2,500 years old.
2,300 years old.
300. Where's the
Wow. Yeah. Incredible, yeah.
But the stick is so long.
You can fold the wire for you.
Very nice. Oh yes. Yes. This one. This one. And
Want to go?
this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you already made up your mind, huh?
Yep. This is what we're eating now. Thank goodness he stopped playing the song now, so no one will recognize it in the background. So that's
I think
good.
we went to town, eh?
Yeah, this is awesome. What beers do you have?
Well, so I've got all the local favorites over here. So I go through a very stringent process of selecting beers and what I have on stand. Because
Okay.
my crowd is very like demanding on like what they like. And what they
Okay,
don't.
okay.
And then I keep like a few of the craft beers.
Okay, which craft beer would you suggest I have?
At this point of the day, hands down, I always recommend the breakfast beer.
Hi there, hi there. My wife saw a lady drinking a yellow drink and she said we must come here, so a mojito or something like that.
This is maybe mojito.
Yeah, give me the granadilla. Give me the granadilla one. Yeah, yes.
There's a monument.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. I'm sure it's got something to do with the French connection at Franschhoek. Yeah,
Like the Huguenots or something.
definitely.
This is Huguenot Road.
I'm gonna definitely pull up here and gonna have a look what's going on.
Not expected. The Huguenot Memorial Museum.
There we go.